left, clear for takeoff, skies 5225.
Envoy 3556 tower, runway 22 left, line up away with 2306, cross lands runway 2 center.
22 left, line up away, envoy 3556.
Envoy 3501, monitor tower 13247. Envoy 3410, contact Chicago departure 118.27.
Good day, sir.
American 1310, turn right at Delta Delta, right on Papa, hold short of Golf Golf, company traffic, some miles behind again.
Delta, Delta, Delta.
Envoy 3556, left turn heading 180, 22 left with the takeoff. American 1308 tower, runway 28 center, clear lane with 2206, traffic hold position, runway 2 left.
Clear lane, trade center, American 1308.
American 1310, monitor tower 1327.
Good day, American 1310.
American 1986 tower, runway 22 left, line up away with 2206, traffic lands, runway 28 center.
Line up away, 22 left, American 1986.
American 156, make 2 right turns on the taxiway, Papa, hold short of Golf Golf, company traffic, center mile, final behind you.
Okay, we're turning here right at Delta Delta, and then Papa, hold short, Golf Golf, American 156.
American 1432, tower.
Is it okay, takeoff, 22 left, American 1986.
Challenger 65, Papa X-ray tower, runway 22 left, line up away with 2307, caution wake turbulence, will be a minute position. There is a large, you just landed runway 2 center.
Copy all that, line up away, 22 left, 65, Papa X-ray.
American 156, monitor tower 132.7.
327, good day, American 156.
American 342, we'll follow the CRJ 200 up.
And we'll follow the CRJ 200, American 342, we'll move up.
American 1308, make 2 right turns on the taxiway, Papa, and hold short of Golf Golf.
2 right turns on the Papa, hold short of Golf Golf, American 1308.
American 288, heavy tower, runway 28 center, clear to land with 2308. Envoy 3651, make 2 right turns, your taxiway, Papa, and hold short of Golf Golf. Envoy 3569, traffic 3 out for the crossing runway, turn left heading 180, runway 22 left, 6 takeoff, no delay on the roll.
Left turn 180, clear for takeoff, no delay on way 3569, 22 left.
That was 2885, traffic departure runway 22 left by the arrival.
That was 2885.
That was 5748, you can cut to the pad, runway 22 left, line up away with 2306, traffic lands runway 28 center.
Roger, line up, runway 22 left, skies 5748.
Envoy 3715, make 2 right turns, your taxiway, Papa, and hold short of Golf Golf. Average cargo 201 heavy.
Left heading 140, clear for takeoff, runway 22 left, skies 5748.
United 263 tower, runway 22 left, line up away with 2207, traffic lands runway 28 center.
Line up and wait, 22 left, United 263.
Envoy 3569, contact Chicago departure 126.
126 with runway 3569.
That was 2885, so right on Papa 2, right on Papa, and hold short of Golf, traffic's a mile final behind you.